Good morning, everybody. Well, it's 5:15 and we're on our way to Croydon. Just going to pick Gary up and then we're going to set off down. Should take us about 4 hours. It's going to be a great weekend. Catch you when we get there. Bye. Hello, everybody. Well, welcome to Croydon on a sunny Sunday morning. Unfortunately, due to the traffic, we didn't get to do any videos yesterday, but we'll take you in. It's 12 o'clock. It's pretty quiet inside, but that's due to the traffic, the train strikes again, and the basically the weather. So we'll take you in. We'll give you a quick look. So we'll take you inside. We'll have a quick look. Look at them. Fantastic buffet on. Some great stalls. Some nice signed images. This guy's good. Soloing comics. Check this guy out. Some really nice. It's good. Some more stalls. Usual Star Wars toys. This guy's good. Robin James, professional sketch comic artist.
Just after COVID. Just after COVID. So it would have been, what are we now, 24, 23, 22, 21. Okay. I'm just going to have a look and see what they're going for.
That Radis is insane. That's brilliant.
Such a nice guy as well. Yes.
A couple of games, couple of prizes. Photographer. Star sign memorabilia. Some nice stuff on here. That's nice. Nice David Tennant. That Aliens is nice. These are really cheap and all. Some of the guests, we've got David Stone. Chris Parsons.
It's 25 each, but that's okay. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. Take another one. No.
Derek Lyons, half hard at it.
Hello there. Hey, peace and love, man. No, you have to.
Chris Bunn. We've got Daniel Egan. Ian Roberts, Christina Da Silva. Some Jabba sculptor, don't know who he is. John Coppinger. Mate, Mate Quinn, you alright, mate? You having a good day? You're going on YouTube.
The YouTubes, oh my goodness, YouTube, I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Come visit me.
Bill Wesley. I know.
Oh, sorry, I thought you was looking for him.
No, Bill Wesley.
Oh, got him on your dash cam.
I have, yeah. It's a little YouTube channel I do. And the amazing and beautiful Arlene Roberts, as always. Some really nice images on Bill Wesley's table. From the jump.
Yeah, there's a little added bonus for you, that one.
Yeah. I like to see these young kids in it.
Oh,
It's,
I'm a young kid.
Stood in for R2D2.
and some good stalls. These are good. This is jacket fitting layered paper art. Some of these are really good and all. Unusual. Check these out. Some of these are incredible. Size sabres. Look at these. Little youngling sabres, 45 quid, that's a bargain. A good price them, aren't they? Yeah, they're really good price them. Look at the old one.
So that one there is an RGB baselit. It's got 16 sound fonts, 12 different colours. It also has smooth swing, flash on flash, gesture controls as well.
They're beautiful. They're really well done with them. That's why I've come back out. Cheers, mate. Size sabres these. Go and check them out. You got a website, yeah? Look at this. There you guys, check them out. All info's on there. Hey Warwick, look at that. Some incredible artwork here.
Thank you.
Movie moments art.
All these ones you see here, these are all done in October, one a day. 31 drawings, 31 days.
That 3PO's great as well. Hey people, check this guy out. His artwork's incredible. The video doesn't do it justice. Movie movements art. QR barcode there, if you can get it. Check him out, mate. Really great artwork. Every time I see that, it still looks ace. Well, that's me back from Croydon. Horrendous weather, but really had a good weekend. The show was obviously let down by the weather, so it wasn't as busy as last year, but everybody enjoyed it. It was a good show. It always is. A lot of guests. Unfortunately, they had a few guests cancelled due to the weather, but I really had a good time. Everything got signed, which is the main thing for me. Everything apart from the guests who didn't cancel. Anyway, enough of that. If you like what we do, remember to like the video, leave a comment. Did you go to Croydon? Did you enjoy the show? Hit that subscribe. 50% of the people who've watched the video still aren't subscribed. So please hit that subscribe button. And that's Paul from Elite Signatures, signing out.